everybody, welcome back to YouTube. You're here, you're amazing, you made it. This is a fun place to be. I'm your host, Dan Compton, and welcome back to Dan the Starman. Alright, so we have a great episode for you guys today, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be an episode that you are sure to love right here on Dan the Starman. Today, we're going to be showing you a new installment of the Disney Entertainment segment. So, this is going to be a very brand new experience that you're going to be enjoying from Disney World and Disney's Animal Kingdom. So, we're going to be showing you what's called Zootopia. Better Zoogether. It's an amazing brand new experience, 3D experience actually, right here in Disney World's Animal Kingdom in Disney World in Florida. So this is going to be an incredible experience, and this is going to be incredible for you guys to enjoy right here on Dan the Starman. And also, this brand new experience just started on Friday the 7th last week. So you get to see this amazing experience firsthand right here on Dan the Starman, so you get to see what it's like. So, and also, Zootopia Better Zoogether is going to be related to the upcoming new Disney movie, Zootopia 2. So, those of you who have seen the first Disney movie, Zootopia, this is going to be one you are sure to enjoy when the Zootopia 2 comes out. So, alright, so that being said, let's go to Disney World in Florida. Let's enjoy the amazing experience of Zootopia Better Zoogether in the Tree of Life of Animal Kingdom. Hope you enjoy, guys.
We're live to Zootopia in 2 minutes. 2 minutes! Oh, yes, and make sure you look before you sit. Don't want to squash anyone. Before we begin, a big Zoogether Day thank you to our event sponsors. Grasshopper meal today. Mr. Big's limo service. Whether you're riding in the backseat or in the trunk, we don't ask questions. And Wilde amusement park, where families wear matching shirts. Thanks to the generous support of Pop's Family Farm, today's Life Watch Party is presented in Parrot Vision 3D. Parrots, they're good for your eyes. Ask anybody.
Adora, okay.
Alrighty, are all of the live biome feeds up? Tundra Town? Marsh Market?
Hey, Bob!
Little rodent shark? Me and you big things! And Sahara squid!
We're alive? We're all alive.
Great! All districts, stand by!
You're right, guys.
Right, mammals, this is it! Please don't cut pictures or videos lighting during the watch party. Tell your friends thank you. And if things get too wild, walk. Do not stampede to the doors on your left. Here we go! Glasses on, everyone! Let's get wild! Clap your paws, stop your hooves, I want to hear you roar! Because we're live in 3, 2,
It's Zoogether Day, featuring special live performances from across Zootopia and unforgettable concert finale from superstar Judy with their host, me, Heidi Howler. Happy Zoogether Day! Today we celebrate our communal existence, our shared environment, and our sacred responsibility to party! And surprise, one of you will kick off the show as our Zoogether Day VIZ. So hurry up, darling, yes?
Oh, Alfred!
No, just not.
Oh, I'm so excited!
Whatever it is. Come on up.
Out of shape.
And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser!
Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down. Now your job, press that big red button. Making you legally responsible,
Which button?
that's totally standard, okay?
Oh, this one.
That
one?
Flashing
I'm
one.
really bad at this.
Don't miss.
Maybe the giant blinking one?
Yes!
Wow! Hooray for me!
Oh, this is gonna be a blast!
Miss Howler? Are you okay?
Major Philip,
Say what?
he's the product.
Okay! Oh, Tundra Town! No. Oh, there it is! Please welcome our cold weather correspondent, Cashlow! Kozlov!
Predator, prey, ice dancings, balance of nature, together strong like mother.
Oh, special effects!
White snowflakes on fire.
Oh, wow! Judy! Nick!
Hauser, did you do this?
I have no idea!
Just breathe, big guy, okay? Hey, try counting your spots.
Nick, I think we may be looking at criminal sabotage.
Yeah, no ifs, ands, or buts. Except that button. Partner, you want to grab a leg?
Who would do this? Detectives Hawks and Wilde investigating the destruction.
Well, I'm sure she's fine.
Nick, the other celebrations could be in danger. Clawhauser, where to next?
Oh, on to Marsh Market.
Got it.
Stay sharp, donuts.
Oh, donuts. No, stay focused. On to Marsh Market. Celebrating the life-giving waters that keep us all wetter together. Oh, my spots!
The marsh is dried up. Why sabotage Zoogether Day?
Okay, Carrot, I'll check the pipes while you interview the witnesses.
Nibbles? We need to know if anyone saw anything.
Okay. Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Oh my gosh.
See, we did this. Seriously?
Wool. It was clocked with wool.
And my face.
Where to next, Clawhauser?
Little rodentia.
Time to make like a tree, then.
Bark.
What?
Let's move on.
Happy Zoogether Day from the Shrimp Show! Hi, it's your girl, Fruit. In Little Rodentia, we may be small.
But every creature, no matter their size, can make a big difference.
Oh, so cute.
You were gonna get iced.
Miss Frou-Frou, hang on! Donuts do save lives.
Carrot, I am shocked.
See, I knew it. But why?
Oh, Judy! Next is the concert!
We're in pursuit.
Zootopia! Let's dance, you party animals! Happy Zoogether Day!
Hey, move you big buffalo! Oh, gee, Bogo!
Well,
But you said you were going to a security conference!
I'm undercover.
Hey, Chief.
I admire your confidence, sir.
What's in the wild animal kingdom?
Saving together, Big Chief.
Hey! Want to check your inhibitions?
Wow.
Oh, no thanks.
You think his head has a lot of flies? You should see him.
Wait.
Oh no! That's Gazelle's biggest fan!
They're gonna ruin the finale. That's it. Hey, I got it. I know who's behind this.
Gazelle!
Hey, grab on. Beware of
Judy? Gazelle? Oh, we lost the connection! And on a day all about connection! Oh, Miss Howler! Zoogether Day is ruined!
Really? Yeah.
Not the reaction I was expecting.
Hey, Heidi! Hello, Bellwether.
A sheep and wolf's clothing. Clever.
Oh, well done, Judy. You just love figuring stuff out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Oh, let's all work together. Let's make the world a better place. Blah, blah, blah. Ah, sheep.
Oops.
Case closed. Boom.
Yay! Wait, we never got our big finale!
Did someone say finale?
Oh, Gazelle!
Has she just been waiting for him?
Come join me, B.I.Z.
Oh, the best day ever!
Let's hear you sing, Zootopia. For legal reasons, I cannot.
Dream a dream. Make a wish upon a whisker.
As a team,
Here we go.
Joining up as brothers.
sister, upon mine.
We're pouncing toward a better day.
Yikes.
Tails intertwined, we raise our hearts and then we say,
Really?
hop on our train of thought. Toot, toot.
I think they've seen a lot.
Great! We love what we've got. It's a melting pot. We are united in every way. Neighbor to neighbor. So raise your voices, come on and say. Let's all unite for together.
We love you, Zootopia.
Oh, hi everybody, welcome back. You enjoyed that awesome and incredible experience of Zootopia, better Zoogether, in Disney World's Animal Kingdom. It was such an amazing 3D experience to enjoy. Plus, afterwards, you got to see your favorite characters such as Zootopia's Judy, Hobson, and Wilde. And you got to see all your favorite characters from Zootopia, and also you got to see some brand new characters that you're going to be most likely seeing in the Zootopia 2 movie when it comes out. So, it's such an incredible experience to enjoy. Plus, since it was a 3D experience, I'm pretty sure wondering how I was able to film it for you guys to enjoy right here on Dan Starman. So, I'll tell you. So, pretend like these regular pair of sunglasses are 3D glasses. So, pretend these are 3D glasses. So basically what I did was I filmed using my iPhone, and I angled the sunglasses or 3D glasses just right in front of the camera lens for you guys to see it much better, for you to enjoy it right here on Dan Starman. So, it was an incredible experience to enjoy, and I hope you guys all enjoyed it as well. And if you happen to be in Disney's Animal Kingdom in person, I encourage you all to enjoy the new Zootopia, Better Zoogether. Alright, well, it's all time every day. So before we go, once again, I want you all to please keep telling your friends, keep telling your family members, keep telling everyone you know, all of your hometown, your schools, your neighbors, to subscribe to my channel, Dan the Starman Plays. And be sure to please hit the like button right here on Dan the Starman Plays. So remember to please hit like and subscribe to Dan the Starman Plays. So, thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next time for some more amazing fun. So until then, I'm Dan Compton, and I'm Dan the Starman, everybody. Thank you all very much, and I'll see you next time, right here on Dan the Starman. Alright guys, have a great day, enjoy everyone.